I was sent this new drill by Skil, and I'm kind of nerding out about it. It's pretty cool. Let me show you what it does. So let's open it up. This is a brush flip drill. Comes with all the packaging, all of the user information, your guide. Here's the actual unit itself. This is what's really cool about it. Key feature of this is that it flips. Look at this. It has two things. You can use it as a screwdriver, or you can flip it and use it with a drill bit. That is a game changer. Let's unpack the rest. So it comes with a battery. It comes with some drill bits and a screwdriver bit, Phillips head. It has the charging cable and some type of a clip. Let's figure out what this is for. This is a belt clip. There we go. And they've already got a charge on it, so let's test it out. I have a scenario here that I actually need it for. I'm working on a project in my garage. So I am going to do a pilot hole here. And then I can simply switch this without having to go and get another drill or change it out. I've got this, flip it over, and now I can simply screw it in. Super, there's a lot of power behind this. Watch, another cool feature is this. Is that cool? Magnetic. So if you have a couple that you're working on, just simply put them there. That way you can just kind of go down the line. Man, I'm super impressed. So you have some different options as far as the speed. So you can be in 1, which would be for slower drilling, or you can go to 2, which is for high speed drilling. The high speed provides lower torque and faster speeds for lighter drilling work, whereas the low provides higher torque with slower drilling speeds. So you can use either. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, back down to 1. And then this is the drilling mode. So again, I push this button here and I can flip it to drilling mode. I'm super impressed. This is going to come in so handy. I highly recommend you check it out. Even has the light that goes on when you're using it. So many, they thought of like everything. I love it. Check it out.